Life's journey is enriched by our relationships, which stand as both our pillars of strength and complex puzzles to solve. At the core of many conflicts are misunderstandings, trust issues, and communication barriers. These challenges, however, also present opportunities for growth and deeper connection. Imagine being enveloped in a fog so dense you can't see those standing beside you. This is what misunderstandings can feel like. Trust issues might erect walls so high that we forget the beauty of openness, while poor communication can turn these barriers into mazes, isolating us. Recognizing these challenges is the first crucial step towards a brighter relationship. By uncovering and addressing misunderstandings, rebuilding trust, and enhancing our communication skills, we set a course for a future marked by stronger, more resilient connections. Let's delve into how we can transform our relationships for the better, one enlightening step at a time. Having explored the common challenges that constrain our relationships, let's now transition to the solutions that can bridge these gaps, cultivating bonds that are not only robust, but also full of resilience. Effective communication transcends mere talk. It involves genuine listening to understand rather than respond, unlocking deeper connection and trust. This trust, built on consistent, honest actions, lays the foundation for a solid relationship. Empathy allows us to enter another's world, breaking down barriers and fostering closeness even amidst diversity. Standing on the bedrock of mutual respect, these strategies celebrate our differences in a way that every voice is heard and every emotion is validated. By nurturing these elements, we equip ourselves to navigate previously insurmountable challenges, transforming our relationships and, by extension, our personal and professional lives. As we proceed, witness the undeniable impact of these strategies on our well-being and success. Stay tuned as we dissect the intricate web of strengthened bonds. The journey towards personal and professional excellence is significantly influenced by the quality of our relationships. By valuing connections built on clear communication, trust, empathy, and respect, we pave the way for remarkable personal growth. These relationships serve as mirrors, reflecting our best selves and inspiring self-improvement. Professionally, they contribute to our success, offering a network for support, guidance, and opportunities. We find in these bonds not only professional achievements, but profound satisfaction. Additionally, the positive impact of strong relationships on our mental health cannot be overstated. They provide comfort, a sense of belonging, and resilience in facing life's challenges. Through nurturing these connections, we maximize our potential, achieving together what might have seemed impossible alone. Together, we don't just survive, we thrive.